Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EUR USD big break point to trade higher was located at January 1987 analysis http ntvforex.com news ID D5960F9 3/2023 25 p.m. Upon the new 3-month review to my long-term model that encompasses our 18 currency pairs traded weekly, nothing changed to EUR USD. In June, EUR USD big break point to trade higher was located at January 1987. Today the big break point remains January 1987. Above January 1987, then next comes the 10-year average at 1.2175 and a break targets 1.2400 to 1.2600 s. However, a total of 10 averages ranging from 1.2400 s to 1.2600 s face EUR USD above 1.2175. At 1.2600 s represents top of the range to my averages dating to 1999. The EUR USD rise from 1.1200 s to January 1900 s in 15 days was the result of not only a break of its high-low point at 1.1200 s but the break higher of the 5-year average at 1.1288. EUR USD was given the green light to move significantly higher. EUR USD became the first and leader currency to break its 5-year average. Then next was EUR JPY at 124.00 s, GBP 1.3216 US dollars, AUD USD was next to follow at 0.7282 and NZD USD is close at 0.6806. USD CAD broke at 1.3190. Previously, 24 of 28 currency pairs lived for the past 3 and 4 years trading below 5-year averages. Moving averages don't change fast enough to consider or allow 1.2175 will break then trade to 1.2400 s to 1.2600 s anytime soon. Due to January 1987 and 1.2175, our strategy changed from long only to short only against a target to 1.1400 s. Further reviews GBP USD. Big break for lower is located at 1.3352 and this line broke Wednesday. Above 1.3352 then massive resistance is located at 1.3800 s and 1.3900 s below then next is the 5-year average now at 1.3218 then solid supports at 1.2800 s note 1.3300 s to 1.3800 s is 500 pips and below 1.3300 s to 1.2800 s is 500 pips. We maintain a long drop strategy. AUD USD next big lines above are located at 0.7721 and range top at 0.7838. No changes to 0.7838 over the past 3 years as this line hasn't changed. AUD USD big break lower is located at 0.7371 then the 5-year average at 0.7281 and 0.7050. AUD 0.7371 US dollars to 0.7700 s is 400 pips and 0.7371 to 0.7050 is 300 pips. AUD JPY 79.82 vs 76.38. Above 79.82 targets the 5-year average at 80.46 then 81.33. No significant changes for AUD JPY over years. GBP CAD break 1.7285 then the 5-year average targets 1.7000 s. GBP CHF remains significantly depressed and targets 1.2562 easily. GBP CHF must break 1.2365 to achieve 1.2500 s. Great currency pair and long drop strategy. EUR JPY. Lower must break 124.90, 124.82 and 124.68 to target massive supports at 123.00 s above 124.90 then EUR JPY faces 10 averages from 127.00 s to 130.00 s higher must break 126.16. No thrills to EUR JPY. GBP JPY higher must break 144.93, then 146.24 and 146.92. Below 144.93 targets 139.00s and range bottom at 135.00s. A far better pair to trade as opposed to EUR JPY and AUD JPY. Assumption is NZD JPY will reveal the same small range movement as AUD JPY. Meaning MAs are too close to consider big moves. Overall, in a speculation from 8 currency pairs is currency markets are fairly stable again and prices in a decent equilibrium to ranges from 2 to 500 pips. Further speculation is big moves will be seen in GBP NZD, EUR CAD, EUR AUD, GBP AUD, and GBP CHF. For JPY cross pairs will suffer except GBP JPY. For USD CAD was born a wide movement currency pair and significant moves higher are expected. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.